Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important DAX concept, that is hierarchical ranking. So here you can see this is our orders table. Same orders table I use for my SQL videos, SQL interview series. If you did not watch it, please watch it. SQL interview series is there, playlist is there. Okay, so this is our orders table, and from here what I want month wise. Here you can see there are 3 months are there. Okay, and month wise, and there are customers, so there are 10 customers are there, and product ID wise I want to see the ranking in a table or in a matrix. Okay, in a matrix. So first, in among these three columns, what is my highest granularity? My highest granularity column is month. Okay, then second highest is our customer ID, and the third highest is our product ID. So first month, then in a month there can be multiple customers, and one customer can have multiple product IDs. Okay, so I want the ranking of sales in between three columns. So for that, what I will do, I created this month column. Okay, so I will create a measure. Okay, so I can write like hierarchy ranking. So for this thing we will use in scope function, and to run this in scope function we'll use switch statement. So first we'll write switch true. So in this switch function uh, we need to put these three columns in scope. So in scope column name. So there are three columns. Which column name I should put first? I should put first which is our lowest granularity column. Okay, so what is our lowest granularity column? Our lowest granularity is product ID. So I'll write product ID. Okay, and what is this switch is doing? So basically there are three columns. So switch is first it is checking first in scope function, then it is checking the second in scope function, then it is checking the third in scope function. Okay, so in switch function I put in scope, then in the result set what I will do, I will put normal rank statement, rank x. So in rank x I need table. So which table? All selected our product ID, then on which expression I am creating the rank? I am creating that in total sales. So basically I created a normal sum statement, sum measure for the total sales. Then skip this one, then descending rank, then dense. Okay, so for the product ID our in scope is done. Then I am putting comma for this switch statement. Then I will do the same for the second highest granularity. So what is our second highest granularity? Our second highest granularity is customer ID. So I put customer ID. Okay, here also customer ID. And for the third one, this is our highest granularity. What is our highest granularity? It is our month. So I need month. Again here I need month. Okay, that's it. So this is our DAX. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll create a matrix. So in matrix, in rows, first I will put like in month, so if month will come here, there are 3 months are there. Then just let me keep the values little more higher. Okay, so month is there. Then in the month I will put product ID, sorry, customer ID, because it is second most granularity level. Month, customer ID, then I need product ID. So here in the row headers, okay, so first is month. In month I am getting the customer ID. In the customer ID I am getting product ID. Okay, so there are 3 months, January, February, March. In January there are 10 products, and in each products there are sorry, in the January there are 10 customer ID. In the each and every customer ID there are 4 or 5 products. Now in values I will put this hierarchical ranking. Okay, now if you see, the January is on the total sales basis, January is ranking 2, February is ranking 3, March is ranking 1. So if I go to February, I will get 10 customers, and among these 10 customers, customer ID 1 is ranking 1, customer ID 2 is ranking 5, customer ID 3 is ranking 2, like this. So if I go to customer ID 1, he bought 4 products, so every product has their own ranking, 1, 4, 3, 2, like this. Okay, so like this we can do the ranking. Okay, so this is our DAX. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.